Hi guys, welcome to What's Cooking. If you are not a subscriber, just hit the subscriber button and the bell button for the future updates. In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the crab in hoe. If the crab is live, just take all the crab in a paper bag, wrap it and just place in the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can remove. The crab is ready to clean. Scrub the external part of the shell to remove the dirt or algae whatever attached to it. Now just remove the flap which is sticking to the lower part or the abdominal part. Just hold towards the lower shell and just push the upper shell outside so both the shell breaks apart. You can throw the upper shell. Usually it is connected via ligament and it is broken now. Now remove all the anterior portion, tentacles or whatever it is, and then you can remove the gills. Okay, you can gently remove the gills which are usually very soft in nature. You can remove on either side. So once this is done, you can just flush the crab properly near the abdomen so all the unwanted substance can be removed. So once this is done, it's clean. Okay, you can just flush it properly. So once it is done, you can cut it into half so it will be easy for cooking. Here you go, it's clean and it's ready. Similarly, I will be cleaning few more crabs, so before completing this video, you'll be familiar with cleaning. So just remove the flap from the abdomen, break apart the upper crust using your thumb. You can throw the upper shell. Clean all the abdominal dirts, remove the gills, remove the anterior antennas or whatever anterior parts, flush it properly, clean with water. And you're done. The crab is clean. Rinse with water once again. And here you go. The crab is clean and it's ready to be cooked. Grind all the ingredients as mentioned below. Put in a pan, add some water, keep it for boiling. Once it starts boiling, add the crab. Add salt and lime as per your taste. Cover with a lid and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Here you go guys, the yummy crab curry is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much.